So I didn't think I was going to make this video, but because things are getting out of hand, I just had to come here and give you context on what happened and my reasoning on why I chose to dismiss the composer of the Lion King chant, Libo M. When this man first approached me, he approached me with the attitude of saying that I am disrespecting his work, right? And I was like, no, actually, I'm a big fan of yours. I actually love the song, and therefore, this was just a joke. And comedy has always had a way of starting a conversation. Like I told him this, I was like, this is now like your chance to actually educate people, because now people are listening. I was actually ready to even create a video with him. Like, to be honest, I was like, oh yes, this is it. We can actually create a video together, and after we laugh, then we can, because personally, I had no idea that it had a deeper meaning. But then the moment he called me a self-hating Negro, that's when everything changed for me. I realized that I'm not having a conversation with somebody that actually wants to do that. This person is literally not attacking the joke, but my character. He didn't even I was like, sir, you need to go and watch the actual episode. Go and watch the full episode, 2 hours. That clip was